I went on a tour with the Natec partners to get an idea of what is new.
I'm talking to Ignacio Espinosa from JR Solar, and I'm really sorry, Ignacio, that we are not live together, that we don't talk to each other, because that's really what we need. But I'm really happy that you took the time to basically explain to us. And my question to you is, what is new?
Thank you, Vincent. Yeah, well, there is a lot of things new nowadays in this technology. From our side, from JR Solar side, we are working in some new products or new introduction products for different segments in the market. For example, for the residential segment, we are really proud to present soon our large format full black product. It's called GA Jam, which is the core name of our modules. Jam is based on 72 cells. Okay, this is the large format. And it is based on the size of the wafers, the conventional one, 158, but it is using a new technology, really innovative, that we are introducing, and it is a high density technology. Okay, it means that we are approaching the cells between them, eliminating the gaps between the cells, and then optimizing or improving the module efficiency. And we are expecting a big traction of this product, for the following years.
And if you have 72 cells, what are the sizes? What does it do to the sizes?
Yeah, it's the conventional size that we have been using in the last year. Is 2 meter length, okay, and 1 meter width. This is really relevant because all the installers and the final users of these modules, they are really familiar to use this size, no? So yeah, we are really proud of it. And it is not the only one. It is not the only full black product that we are aimed to the market, to this residential segment. Now we are also presenting the 54 cells S31. Okay, this is the small format for the full black product. It's based on 182 millimeter wafer, so the big wafer in this case. But it is really a light product. We are really proud of it. It will be
how much kilo will it be?
Yeah, it is 21.5 kilograms, so really easy to handle. Okay, it's really easy to lift it to the rooftops and to work with this kind of product. No, it is using a 30 millimeter frame, so it is also it's easy to be adapted to the rooftop type of mounting systems. And it is using the latest technology. No, all the big wafers. No, it's reaching almost 400 watts. So reducing the VOS and helping the system to be really profitable for the.
And how many watts peak will it deliver? These two new products.
Yeah, both are in the range of 400. For the small format, we are standing in 395, and it's 400, even 405 for the big one, for the S17. It's what.
That is good news for the residential area. What do you have for the commercial and the industrial segment?
Well, what we are preparing, I believe it's a hot topic nowadays. It's our modules based on N-type cells. Okay, we have presented last year the big size of wafers for this market segment for commercial and industrial, and now we are looking forward to introduce the N-type modules. Probably aim for this kind of segments in the beginning, because afterwards they will be also participating in the residential segment. But in this first step, commercial.
And tell me about this N-type. Everybody's talking about this N-type. Why is that why is that so important?
Well, the N-type is bringing us some benefits in terms of the degradation for the modules, which is impacting in the production, in the overall production of the system, and therefore it's creating a premium product. No, the degradation is really low. It's 1% the first year, 0.4 the rest of the year. So it is a real and clear advantage. It is also owning benefits in terms of the low light production, which is really relevant for Central Europe weather, no, where we can find some more low light moments. And it's also helping in terms of the temperature. Okay, the behavior against high temperature is also better. So,
so that will be good for efficiency. And this is a big change, and you say this later. This will also come to the residential area.
Correct, because it's a big challenge because the manufacturing process of this thread is absolutely different. It's more complex, more steps, and different at all. So yeah,
okay,
we need to be ready.
Great. What last question I have for you? How did you survive the last 2 years, and how did JA Solar do? You know, with all these challenges you had thrown at you.
Yeah, well, it's a good question. It has been crazy, yeah, these 2 years. All the things that happen with the raw materials is impacting us in the manufacturing side. Despite of that, always supported by our partners, our great customers around the world, and especially in Europe, with customers as Natech, key partners for us. We have been able to predict and to expand our capacity, because we are almost doubling the capacity that we closed last year. Okay, last year we closed at 20. Yeah. It has been really tough. Yeah. But we meet. This was our goal, and we have worked it out properly.
And you went from how much to how much?
20 in 2020. We closed the year with 20 gigawatts, and we are expecting to close near to 40 by the end.
My gosh, that is an unbelievable thing. Okay, well, thank you very much, Ignacio. I hope next time we will be able to see each other in person, and that I will be able to see the products also, but we'll make sure that the links to the products will be shown. Thank you very much from Spain that you're here and that you basically are willing to talk to us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vincent. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.